Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Holden Trax LS, stock reference number 4524. This shape runs from the 8th month 2013 through to the 9th month 2016. It has an F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a bald tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, tailgate's got two small dents, right hand tail light, right power door mirror, right front guard has multiple small dents, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, does have some mould on the seats. Center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, MyLink media player. We have the interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.